Hi, I'm Matteo Capelletti, Senior Product Marketing Lead at Qt Group. Industrial IoT builds on connectivity, advanced graphics, and AI to increase productivity while reducing costs and time to market. Here we have some key elements of a modern factory floor. In particular, we see here a SCADA system, including widgets and KPIs from the production line and the status of the machines. Widgets can be resized, moved, and adapted to different layouts via Qt Adaptive Layout. So for instance, if you want to port this application to a tablet, the widgets can be reused and they will appear in a different format. The SCADA system includes a 3D factory representation mirroring the operations in the real factory. This is the concept of digital twin, and we can see here how advanced graphics can help in making this all much more intuitive. Everyone talks about artificial intelligence and the impact that this is having on productivity and automation of factory operations. Here in our 3D model, we have AI in terms of visual recognition of faulty parts in our objects. So the quality check happens through a camera taking pictures of the objects in the conveyor belt, feeding them to an AI inference engine, and which is able to detect whether there are faulty parts or not. What is perhaps even more interesting than the specific use case that we have here is the use of our Qt AI Inference API. That is a proof of concept. We published recently a blog about it, and it helps you to abstract on the underlying model or AI pipeline or inference engine so that you can plug in much easily into your project different AI models with little effort. We also have variation on the type of devices that we are using. Here in the middle we see a MCU device, a power monitor that has been built by reusing many of the assets that we had for the SCADA system, but on a small layout and on a very different type of platform. Real-time monitoring over factory operation is using here MQTT, but we also have OPC UA, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, also low energy, for enabling connectivity across all the devices that are in your factory. And of course, this is all built with Qt, so everything that you need to build this is inside Qt framework. Finally, a couple of words also about the workflow in the development of this project. In terms of design, we used Figma for creating the visual assets and the UI layouts, and also the transitions and animations. All the Figma projects have been converted into Qt Design Studio, into QML, via our Figma Bridge technology. Similarly, the 3D scene is created in a 3D authoring tool, then imported into Qt Design Studio, where the interaction with the 2D controls is implemented. And while we are using simulated data on the backend, nothing will prevent to use real data, both in the SCADA system and in the MCU power monitor. Finally, everyone knows how important it is quality, safety, and security in a factory setting. And even more so now with the upcoming Cyber Resilience Act and regulations related to that. We use Squish for automated testing of all the UI functions, the responsive layout, movements of the widgets, resizing, themes, and that kind of things. Then there is Axivion for static code analysis, and ensuring that the code is of the highest quality and meeting the standards and regulations. And Coco, finally, for code coverage. And this is it from my side. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and reach out to us if you want to learn more.